Guys, it's Deirdre Lawrence again with another Lawrence String Academy tutorial. This is our sort of third installment, getting to know what it feels like to play all these fun new rhythms on the violin. And today is the day that we add our fingers in an A major scale. So I'm super excited about this. I hope you guys have been practicing your rhythms, right? Because we've got to know the rhythms if we're going to complicate it by adding our fingers in the mix. We're going to start with the first one, which is Mississippi Stop Stop, and we're going to play that on every note in the A major scale. Let's start by reviewing the scale itself. Yeah, open A, then our first finger, second finger, third finger, then we go to open E, first finger, second finger, and then finally our third finger. Brings us to the end of the scale. So we're going to play or pluck Mississippi Stop Stop on every one of those fingers. And we're going to go nice and slow so we can all do it together. Ready? Mississippi, here we go. Mississippi, stop, stop, and place your first finger. And Mississippi, stop, stop, hold. Place your second finger, and Mississippi, stop, stop, hold. Place your third finger, Mississippi, stop, stop, hold. Lift everybody up and play your E string. Place your first finger, hold. Place your second finger, and finally, your third finger. Very good, guys. Very good. We're going to do the same thing with our rhythm Puppy Dog, but this time we're going to play two puppy dogs on every note. I'll demonstrate. Puppy dog, puppy dog. Stop and place your next finger. See how that works? Puppy dog. So there are two puppy dogs for every note. Are we ready? Starting on our open A string, puppy dog, here we go. Puppy dog, stop, place your first finger, and puppy dog, stop, place your second finger, puppy dog, stop, place your third finger, puppy dog, lift them all up, E string. Stop, place your first finger. Stop, place your second finger. Stop, place your third finger. And that's the end of our scale. Very good, guys. Yeah, very good. Our next rhythm on the hit parade is Run, Johnny, Run, Johnny. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do two Run Johnnies on every note. Yeah, so get to playing position. Here we go. Run, Johnny. Here we go. Run, Johnny, run, Johnny. Stop. First finger. Run, Johnny, run, Johnny. Stop. Second finger. Run, Johnny, stop. Third finger. Run, Johnny, stop. Everybody up, E. Place your first finger. Place your second finger. Finally, your third finger. That's so exciting, guys. It's just so exciting to have you here with me, putting your fingers down on the instrument. It's so much fun. I'm going to ask everybody to come to rest position for a split second. Whew. Deep breath in and deep breath out as we get ready, probably for the most challenging of all of these rhythms to apply to a scale. And that is Dr. Suzuki, which you know goes Dr. Suzuki says practice, and practice. And we're going to change our fingers after every 3 notes. I'll demonstrate. It's pretty tricky. Dr. Suzuki says practice and practice. Do you see how I changed my finger in the middle of the words? Dr. Suzuki says practice and practice and practice. And every time I say practice, I have to change a finger. So that's super exciting. We're going to do this one really, really slow, all the way up the scale. Ready for your open strings? Dr. Suzuki says practice, and here we go. Dr. Suzuki says practice, and practice, and practice, and practice, and practice, and practice more. Yeah, that's a wild one, right? That was wild. We're still going to go back and do that one again because that was just like so much information. It's like my mind is totally blown. Ready? Changing those fingers. Ready? And Dr. Suzuki says practice and practice and practice and practice and practice and practice more. And this is why we have to practice more, because Dr. Suzuki is so tricky. I invite you to come back and repeat this moment multiple times until you can start to get the flow of that pattern, yeah? Now this one has continuous notes in it too, but we get to repeat them much more. And that's our motorcycle, yeah? So we're gonna play 2 motorcycles on every note. Motorcycle, motorcycle, 1, and here we go. Motorcycle, motorcycle. Change your finger. Motorcycle, motorcycle. Second finger. Motorcycle, motorcycle. Third finger. Motorcycle, motorcycle. Open E. Motorcycle, motorcycle. First finger. Motorcycle, motorcycle. Second finger. Motorcycle, motorcycle. Third finger. Motorcycle, motorcycle. Very good, guys. Yes? And the last one on our hit parade, like I always say, the perfect treat, sweet at the end of a long practice session is chocolate, 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 chocolate. We're going to have 1 chocolate for every note. Here we go. Chocolate, chocolate. Here we go. Chocolate, put your finger down. Chocolate, second finger down. Chocolate, third finger down. Chocolate, open E string. Chocolate, put your finger down. Next finger down. Final finger down. Love it, guys, yeah? That was tricky. Your job between now and the next time I see you is to keep practicing this so you feel ready to go from finger to finger without stopping. Because that's going to be our goal at the next lesson where we put the violin, the fingers, and the bow together. Yeah, it's going to be super fun. I am so looking forward to that. And I will see you guys then.